Troubleshooting order placement. In this video, we will show you how to solve issues like order not placed or broker API errors in order placement. To solve order placement issues, we first need to understand the order flow in Bridge. You can send orders in Bridge based on signals received. Depending on your settings, it applies several checks on the signals to place order, like symbol settings, signal rules, and risk management. The bridge creates very detailed logs of order placed. Let me first show you through paper trading. You can see the order has been placed. Now let us understand the process. First, signal is received with details like symbol, price, quantity, and others. Based on the settings, the bridge places order. You can see that signal was received with 1 quantity, but order is placed with 100 quantity. This is because in symbol settings, quantity is given is 100. If these settings are wrong, order will not be placed. If input symbol is wrong or not provided, order will not be placed. If any of these rules are ticked, order will not be placed if they are violated. Also, order will not be placed if max open position is violated or any of the risk management rules are violated. The trade history allows you to filter by stock name. If you select a particular stock, it will show you trades of only that stock. Now let us see settings required for live trading. When you place order in live trading, you can see the messages from broker API also. Based on the signal received, this is the request sent to broker API by the bridge. Here is the status of order received from broker API. If you place order with wrong settings, broker API may not place your orders. For example, if expiry is wrong, broker API will give error. Also, if the combination of order type is wrong, broker API will give error. In 99 out of 100 support issues that we get, the problem is with symbol settings. Sometimes, exceptionally, the broker API may give error even with all symbol settings are correct. You can identify these errors by checking detailed API logs. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.